What's up, guys? Welcome back. Dorio from Cyberpunk Edgerunners. This is a Patreon request from Emmanuel, keeping the Cyberpunk Edgerunners train going. Great show, by the way. Watch it. I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Dorio. So, one of the smaller characters. Eyes. Big fringe, right? But we'll start with the eyes. So we'll go center point of my page about there. Come up over to the right. Best image I could find of Dorio as well. So we'll go diagonal first, and then this eye kind of curves down this way. Bottom eyelid. Just there, and then she has, I'm assuming it's female, but I don't know. Could be male. He, she. I don't know. I'm going to check. I've made this mistake so many times. Dorio. She. Yep. Okay. So, iris and pupil. No pupil, actually. Just a blue iris. Makes it easier for us. And then eyebrow. Quite small. Kind of like that. Maybe we'll give an eyelid. Most of it's covered with hair, but we'll just draw it in anyway. Next eye, you're about eye width, can fit in between. You go diagonal, and then across. Bottom eyelid line. Like so. And then the eyebrow again. Quite small eyebrows. Just cut across like that. And the blue iris. Sorry, I did that different sequence. There. Like so. Okay, so we just go down and add nostrils for the nose. Simple enough. And in the mouth. Comes across, down in the middle. Down like so. And you could add sort of a top lip and a bottom lip. Chin then, very chiseled sort of features for a female character. Chin there. And we can see jaw on this side. Just curves up here like that. And then cheek on this side. Cyberpunk tend to do this a lot, actually. They'll do this kind of a pose of a character where you can see jaw, and it's not quite 3/4 pose. It's not quite front facing. They'll do like a different line on this side. So it like curves in. It's like slightly 3/4. And then it goes out for the cheek. And back up the side of the head. Up that way. So it's like a different face shape. So the hair on this character, right? So we've got like a sideburn for a V for a sideburn, just there, and then a sort of a zigzag line. There, and then so she's got like this big fringe, right? That comes down over the eye. Sorry, I have like a cough, tickly cough in my throat. So we've got this big sort of spiking kind of fringe here. Goes up that way. Down. Back up. There as well. Let me just keep going sort of across the face here. Now animes do leave these lines visible underneath the eyes, of course. Some of them do. But you can erase them if you want, or color over them, whatever your prerogative is. It's your drawing. Up that way. Boop. Then a line there. So we can see just ears, right? So this one's kind of lower down than the other one. There, right? The other one's kind of a bit higher up. And you can put like some ear lines and stuff inside. Back of the head is shaved. So we just add some sort of spiking. Shorter spikes than the fringe. The fringe is like the long part. Alright, some spikes just here up the top. And then the head sort of has these bumping sort of lines that are part of the long fringe that seems to swoop down this way. And then the side of the shaved part over here. Like that. So she has those marks, those cyberpunk stuff on her cheek. And then quite a wide neck. There. And then a neck muscle there. And just these sort of cyberpunk lines like right underneath her ear. So she has like a big collar, right? So like a big suit jacket kind of a thing going on. So this comes this way. Like that, right? On that side at least. And then it'll go the whole way, it'll sort of bump down there. And then the other side, that way, right? Chest is in here, right? So we got like this anatomy, collarbone going that way. And then another collarbone just going that way. And then these chest muscles that have, well, they look like muscles to me anyway. They have these black lines on them. Like another one going that way. They have these black cyberpunk, like metallic things. And then the stomach line sort of goes that way. That's how it's drawn anyway. So the collar, then the big long sort of collar on the jacket like that. And then on this side it's a bit skinnier because it's turned away from us. To there, and then down. And then these have sort of edge lines, right? So the little lines that kind of go around. And then a button. Like an edge line here. And two buttons on this side. And then shoulder is real big. Going that way, like crazy wide shoulders. And what way is the jacket actually? Maybe just a black jacket, I think. So going that way, and then like shoulder line. very sort of wide shoulders for a female character anyway. And the other shoulder you could just see sort of going down that way. Not sure if we can see a sleeve. Don't think so. I think that's it. Yeah. Dorio from Cyberpunk Edgerunners. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.